Well, this is the beautiful view of what London looks like. The time now is coming up to 10:35 p.m. local time in London. This is London King's Cross, and you can travel from here to Europe. This is called the Gray's Inn Road, and the other side is known as the Euston Road as well. Further down is the Euston Tube Station. You can catch so many buses from here: bus 73, 214, 476, 259, 63, 24. A very busy place. There's a lot of eatery as well, in case you are sometimes going to find yourself in this area. And the most important thing is there's a lot of activities that takes place. Right from here, you can travel to the north part of the country. You can also use the London Underground. The buses operate. You can also get the bus 46 going to Paddington. When it comes to 12 midnight, the buses will start changing. Always plan the journey ahead. This is also the bus 30 that takes you to Hackneywick. Remember that wherever you're going, do plan the journey. You might travel with the London bus, and you might be going with the night bus, or you might end up calling the Uber or calling the black cab. But always make sure whenever you are in London, keep your possession very safe, and also be extremely vigilant wherever you go. This is part of my tips in the 25 years of living in UK. Once again, my name is Olami Koiki, and this is part of the beautiful view of what London looks like at the particular hour, at the particular time. It is never quiet in this part of the world.